Hey kings and queens! So today I am back in Quijote Park. I decided to come back just to take some more photos of the cherry blossoms and stuff, and I mean it's very beautiful here, so I decided to come and have some lunch here again. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, obviously Quijote Park is sort of the area where the Imperial Palace is. So the palace gardens and the guard houses and everything is in the same area. It's sort of hard going to see the palace, the actual palace, like to go into the Imperial Palace, because the lines are always super long. So I was just like, maybe another day. I don't even know if they're actually open today. I haven't really gone to check. It's really beautiful here. Everything's like super clean. All the work people are out for lunch today and stuff. So that's kind of cute. Yeah, I'll be heading to Ueno Zoo today. I'm having a good time. Having lots of fun. Join me on my journey to go see my first exotic animals today. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Come around again for me, please. Oh, he's so big. Look at how big they are. Hello. Hello, friend. I'll call him Alfred, and he will be my Alfred. Look, it's Alfred. He came back for me. Hello, Alfred. It's been a long time, old friend. Hello, I'm a pretty bird. Can I peacock for you? Never mind, I'm just gonna groom myself. Okay, bye.
I'm itchy. Help me scratch myself. Come on.
What was that?
I don't know, Sarah. You tell me.
My father was a dinosaur. Do you know what a dinosaur is? Aren't I gorgeous? Look at me flap my wings and ruffle my feathers. I don't know if he's sleeping or not. I've actually never seen a bird sleep before, so this is very interesting to me. Is that how they sleep? Look at all the pretty flowers. Happy spring, everybody! He's busy thinking about life, hoping he will find a mate one day. In the wild. Very wild. Enjoy the sound of dripping sound. Nice. Well done, Japan. Man, that is one ugly bird. Look at them. They look so sad. Are they skunks? Or are they monkeys? Who knows? What is that? That is not a monkey. That is a zombie, I swear. They look so creepy. They're like hairless monkeys. Screaming. Sound like people screaming. What the hell? I think he's bored with his life. He looks like he's about to fall asleep, but not really. He looks so unhappy. Who is he crying for? Little guy, I can be your mate. You're adorable. That's called bestiality, dear children. And it's frowned upon in most societies. Hey everybody, me again. So I thought I would just give you sort of a breakdown of Ueno Park. It was really cool seeing all the different animals that they have here. But all in all, coming from South Africa where we have like quite a bit of space when it comes to nature reserves and like wildlife reserves, we have like lots of space for our animals, and they're sort of like left to roam free. Of course we have zoos as well, but it's more, we have more space for our animals sort of. So kind of seeing the small enclosures that they had for the animals here, I think if the animals are like rehabilitated animals, it's alright, because then they don't really know, they don't know any better, they grew up, that's sort of fine. But I think that if they were taken from the wild and put into these enclosures, I don't think it's very good because it's just this. Like I said, the space is really small. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they're happy and stuff, but from looking at like the elephants and some of the other animals, it just seems like there's not enough space for them. I mean, these are huge animals. Like they're territorial as well normally, and they need quite a bit of space. Even the monkeys and the gorillas and stuff, they need more space. And the tiger was like pacing against the wall, and I'm not sure if it's like normal for them to do that in nature. But I think if they're doing that in an enclosed space, I think they're quite agitated about the situation, that they can't go anywhere and that they're lonely. I might be wrong again. I don't know too much about, you know, wildlife and stuff, but they deserve more space. But it was still cool seeing all the animals and whatnot, you know. I mean, I am a tourist and going around and stuff. Have to do the touristy things, and going to a zoo was on the list. Yeah, let me know how you guys feel about animal enclosures and stuff. How you feel about zoos. I'd be interested to hear everybody's opinion on like how the zoo here look, if you think it's animal friendly or not really. Let me know in the comments down below. After my time at the beautiful Ueno Park Zoo, I decided to walk around Ueno Park for a little bit. I came across this beautiful temple as well as some amazing garden grounds and decided to hang out there for the rest of the day. I really enjoyed observing some people follow their old traditions. Ueno Park is really a beautiful sight to see. If you are ever in Tokyo, I really recommend it. The gardens are just absolutely immaculate and extremely beautiful in the springtime. And of course, the sakura flowers lining the roads there is absolutely beautiful. Just look at the beautiful nature. Is it not stunning? The next day, I decided to join two of my friends that I had met, and they took me to a little area just outside Ueno to see some old-fashioned Japanese culture and food. You worked here?
Yeah.
Really?
5 years ago or something. We're in Yanesen right now.
It's a very like more traditional, like sort of old-fashioned area of Tokyo. Very pretty.
Oh, have you tried it?
What is that?
Seaweed, wakame.
Oh, 本当だ.
No, you have what? What does it taste like?
It's really nice.
Like
I
salty or
Salty.
More salty.
almond? The sign speaks to me very much. No cat, no life. Sorry, what did you say they were? The donuts.
Donut.
Cat tail donuts. Okay.
Made it? って聞いたけど.
Ah. Fake cats all over the place, huh? Oh, look at all the cute sweets. Yeah? Beautiful. And that as well.
これ何?
中丈夫?
Did you say that's craft beer? From Japan, and you get it in a vending machine. So we don't have vending. We don't have like lots of vending machines on the street at all. What is this?
Miracle body.
Is it like a
Energy drink.
energy drink?
It's my first time to see that.
And that's obviously just green tea, hey?
This machine seems like
And
not so
Strawberry and milk. And strawberry.
Oh my goodness. And that's of it. Are these sodas or is it carbonated or normal?
Jelly and nata de coco. Coconut.
Oh, coconut. Okay, coconut.
Inside, but the flavor is grape, and when you shake it, it becomes like more jelly.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
So you, if you shake it, it
gets like
changes. Okay. And are these warm or cold?
These are warm. You can see from here, so it's like more red, right? From here it's blue.
So you have coffee in a can? No? Not at all. Yeah.
Here's cocoa.
Oh, like chocolate. Okay. Oh, not milk tea. No more milk tea. It's like a hot chocolate. The day after, I decided to head to Sanrio World in Ginza to do some adorable shopping. I don't think I bought too much because a lot of the Hello Kitty items were extremely expensive, but the snacks that I got there were absolutely delicious. And come on, how could I not visit a place like this? Oh my goodness, that is so shiny and the purse is shiny as well. What is this place and why is it so friggin' adorable? Just look at that. Look at all those happy kitties. I ended up heading back to Asakusa after that just to have some lunch and look at some beautiful views. I think the cupcake I had that day was the only Easter themed food that I was able to find in every cafe that I went to. And of course, since I was in Asakusa, I had to go visit Don Quijote, which is known for its insane selection . I don't exactly know what this shop is, but it's fucking amazing. Not only is this song very annoying, but can we talk about how much junk food they have? What? This is all cookies, chips, and sweets. Straight up. There's so much stuff. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Until next time.